I'm going to show how to use create from prompt. This is going to be the main way that we generate our AI images. We find it under create with AI, then create from prompt. We get this dialog. Let's take a look at all the options here. First, we can choose the aspect ratio, either 16:9 landscape, like your normal widescreen, or vertical, 9:16, like on a phone. Now with an image scene prompt, we describe what we want to create. I'll type in my prompt. You can see these boxes also have a microphone. We can click on this, and we can record with our mic, and it'll transcribe the prompt for us. We need to choose what type we're making. This is going to be a human, but we also have 2D style, 3D style, cinematic, everything else. These would be for scenes without people in them. Now checked, we have automatically enhance my prompt. This is going to take this fairly basic prompt here. It's going to use AI to make a lot more descriptive prompt out of it. We'll try this first. It can be disabled. You can only ever enhance the prompt once. It'll uncheck it. And we have a button to manually enhance the prompt. One last item before we create our image, we have this share to public gallery. We have the public gallery up here. This lets all other Video Express users see what you've been creating. If you'd rather not, you can uncheck this. Let's create our image. You can see it's enhanced our prompt. It's a lot more detailed than what I had entered. And here's our image. We can take a closer look. Save it. We can also save it here. This will save it into our gallery so we can use this later, create different videos based on the same character. Now from here, we can also directly create a video from this image. We have a video action prompt. Here's what we can describe what we want her to do. We can just leave this blank and the AI will just kind of look at the image and decide what motion looks good. We could also give specific instructions on what we'd like her to do. I can just hit create video. Now we could also make her talk. So I want to make another video. I can check talking photos. If she was singing, we can check this box as well. Now when we create video, we get an additional pop-up where we could either record audio right in our browser, upload an audio file, or we can use text to speech. Pick a voice. Import.
Hello, how are you?
Taking a look at the other text-to-speech options. When choosing a voice, we can get a preview first.
Hello, my name is Luna. You can pick me as your
Hello, my name is Anna.
See, we recently added some new voices, tagged with new. Also, all the voices that have the emotion tag have different options underneath. You can make them angry, sad, excited, friendly. Preview that.
Hello, my name is Arya.
Make her sad.
Hello, my name is Arya.
Of course, we have all kinds of different languages. Speak French. Choose a French voice.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Denise. Vous pouvez
Adjust the speed and the pitch. Let's go back. I can create our talking video. Just like the previous one. Now 2 more options related to video. We have motion speed, medium, the normal amount of movement, or high. There's a lot more movement, a lot more active, at the risk of possibly blurring or having other artifacts. And then the video length booster. Normally this is going to create about a 5 or 6 second clip. With video length booster, you'll get a roughly 50 to 100% boost in the length, potentially doubling it depending on what the AI decides is best. Let me create one more image. So I'll clear this. See, it's automatically turned our enhanced prompt back on again since we're starting new. Let's make a 3D image. Create image. And you can see it slid over. You can still see our previous image here. Now we're working on a new image. Let's check out this final feature, replace background. We can either describe the new background via prompts, or we can upload a file to be our background. Say a busy street. And we have our new background. Now one final note, previous VideoExpress 1.0 users may have recalled that within Create from Prompt you had a reuse character option. This will let you keep using the same character in different scenes. We've taken it out of here, but we've moved it to consistent character. So just be sure to save your image. We have a separate video on this feature. But that's it. Thanks for watching.